Good morning. It's Brian Hale with Mortgage Advisory Partners. It's Monday, July 22nd. When we're posting this to our social media accounts, I'm actually recording this on Sunday afternoon, the 21st, as I have to fly to Houston this afternoon. I'm going to be tied up in the morning. So I wanted to get this video in and get the post set up for tomorrow for our social media accounts. So as always, included in this post is a link to our weekly newsletter, as well as a link to subscribe to the newsletters. Subscriptions remain strong and continue to come in. In addition to that, however, and I'll get to the newsletter in just a second, we've also posted both our website and a link to the weekly roadmap. We've now had, just put in the can, our 5th weekly roadmap meeting this past Friday, which we had Tiffany Rose from Tiffany Rose Coaching coming in and helping people understand very specific tactics on how to improve the top of their funnel lead generation, as well as conversion and closings to be able to make more money in this difficult market. In 2 weeks, we have Captain Charlie Plum coming in to talk about mental toughness. If you don't know who Captain Plum is, he was one of the longest held POWs in the Vietnam War, survived 7 years of torture in a Vietnamese camp, was in the Hanoi Hilton with John McCain. He's going to come in and talk for about 30 or 40 minutes on mental toughness. I can't think of any trait more important given today's market. So encourage you to do that. But in addition to that, we've included a link in this week's post to the most recent weekly roadmap call, the 1 hour long call. And you don't have to watch it for an hour, but if you have time, sit down with a glass of wine, crack open a beer and watch the call and see whether or not you're getting that kind of coaching from your current manager or company. If you are, congratulations. You've got a great opportunity. If you're not, or you're looking for something to supplement it in terms of understanding what's going on in the market, understanding how you can use those updates to work with your clients and customers, and also getting real specific tactical information to help you do more loans, help you close more volume, help you have more leads and convert more leads, then the weekly roadmap is something you should be looking at. It's every Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific time. I encourage you to look at the link. And if you want to fast forward through it, through my update, through Tiffany's presentation, or the tail end where we talk about improving just different personal capabilities and those kinds of things, we always include something around personal development each week. This is the fastest growing call in the mortgage banking industry. I encourage you to get part of it. And as we like to say at the weekly roadmap, we'll see you on the road. This week's newsletter had a great heading, which is a very calm week for rates, despite hitting a 6-month low. So about Wednesday afternoon or Thursday, rates hit a 6-month low and then slowly crept back up to the 10-year being at about 425 by the end of the week. This week, and part of that, by the way, was we had very thin trading last week. A lot of bond traders are on vacation, to be honest. In addition to that, there was a fair amount of corporate bond issuance coming into the market that had some technical impact on prices in the 10-year Treasury area and in mortgage backs as well. In addition to that, there was very limited other data. We had retail sales, we had a few other items come out that really did not have a huge impact on the market. This week, Thursday and Friday are the 2 big days in terms of data. We've got GDP coming out on Thursday, and on Friday we have the PCE, the Personal Consumption Expenditure Index, that is the Fed's favorite index in terms of measuring inflation. So PCE the month for last month, which is a really important inflation indicator, and then PCE year over year as well will also be released on Friday morning. If you're a member of the weekly roadmap, you get a quick update on both of those numbers. Will be part of our call this coming Friday with insights as to what's going on, what the impact of the market has been, how to update your clients, how to use specific tactics on helping your clients understand what's going on. So I encourage you to either certainly to subscribe to our newsletter. By the way, if you're a member of the weekly roadmap, you get the letter automatically as part of your subscription. By the way, we're going to keep the weekly roadmap free through the end of August so that you can sign up, see what's going on, see whether or not it fits what you're looking for in terms of a salesperson in the mortgage industry. I encourage you to do that. It's going to be free. You can't beat the price. So either go to the link above that you can go directly to the weekly roadmap site, go to our website, mortgageap.com, and or take a look at the last week's meeting, and then you can make a decision from there. So I look forward to seeing you, and I look forward to seeing you on the road in one of the upcoming weekly roadmap calls. Take care.